Welcome to Product Critique, where we spotlight standout products you need to know about. Today, we're featuring what we consider the best rose gold chronograph women's watch, the Fossil Women's Modern Courier Quartz Stainless Steel Watch in Rose Gold. Model number BQ3377. Let's dive into what makes this timepiece a beautiful blend of elegance, durability, and functionality. Right out of the box, the first thing that grabs your attention is the luxurious rose gold tone finish. The watch has a polished stainless steel construction, giving it a premium, weighty feel on the wrist while still being comfortable enough for daily wear. The case measures 40 mm in diameter, striking that perfect balance, bold enough to make a statement, yet sleek and refined for feminine elegance. This model is part of Fossil's Modern Courier series, a line that embodies the brand's American-inspired creativity and design innovation. With a quartz movement driving its chronograph function, you get both analog charm and modern reliability. That means you're looking at precise timekeeping, plus subdials for stopwatch functionality, perfect for both style and utility. The dial itself is a showstopper. Rose gold on rose gold, a monochromatic masterpiece. It features Roman numeral hour markers that add a classic twist, while the three chronograph subdials and luminous hands offer modern utility. Protecting the face is a durable mineral crystal window, ensuring resistance against everyday scratches. The bracelet is crafted from matching rose gold toned stainless steel and has an 18 mm width, complementing the case perfectly. It uses a two-pusher fold-over clasp, a mechanism that's easy to use and ensures a snug, secure fit on your wrist. And if you like to personalize your accessories, you'll be glad to know that the band is interchangeable with all Fossil 18 mm straps. Now let's talk about water resistance. This watch is rated up to 165 feet or 50 meters. While it's not designed for diving, it can handle splashes, showers, and even brief swims, so you don't have to baby it during your daily routine. Another cool touch? Fossil offers complimentary engraving for this model at their full price and outlet stores in the US and Canada. That makes this an ideal gift, whether for someone else or yourself. A meaningful date, a name, or a short phrase engraved on the back takes the personalization to the next level. In terms of styling, this watch transitions effortlessly from day to night. Whether you're headed to the office, a brunch date, or an evening out, the Modern Courier elevates your look with just the right amount of glam. To sum it up, the Fossil Women's Modern Courier Rose Gold Chronograph is more than just a timepiece. It's a statement accessory that combines modern functionality with timeless aesthetics. If you're on the hunt for a versatile, stylish, and durable watch, this could be the perfect addition to your collection. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and product breakdowns. See you in the next one.